Hello students, in this session I will discuss a topic, role of state financial corporations in the establishment of new enterprises. Students, so our topic is related to subject entrepreneurship. So the object, the contents of that chapter is objectives of SFCS means State Financial Corporation Services, scope of business, function of SFCS, operational policies of SFCS, critical analysis of operational performance of SFCS. So, next is introduction about State Financial Corporation. At the time of Industrial Finance Corporation was set up, it was recognized that it was essential to establish similar institutions in different states to assist small industries, as it was not possible for a single institution to satisfy the capital needs of small scale industries spread over entire country. Accordingly, the State Financial Corporation Act was passed in 1951, which authorized each state to establish an SFC. Students, these institutions are closely modeled on the lines of IFC but differ in scope of their activities. While the IFCI limits its financial help to larger industrial concerns, the SFCs are intended to extend financial assistance to smaller enterprises. While the area of operations of an SFC is normally confined to one state, the activity of IFC extends to the whole of country. Next is objects of state finance corporations. Number 1, to provide medium and long financial assistance to small and medium scale enterprises. Number 2, to ensure economic growth and assent on balanced regional growth and widening of the entrepreneurial base through encouragement of new enterprises. Next is scope of business. The state financial corporations have been established to help entrepreneurs to set up new industries and undertake programs of modernization, renovation, expansion, and diversion. Students, State Financial Corporation plays an important role in the establishment of various fields. According to Section 2C, the State Finance Corporation can assist an industrial concern engaged or to be engaged in any of the following activities. Number 1, manufacture, preservation or processing of goods. Number 2, mining or development of mines. Number 3, the hotel industry. Number 4, the transport of passengers or goods by road or water or by air or by ropeway or by lift. Number 5, the generation or distribution of electricity or any other form of power. Number 6. The maintenance, repair, testing, or servicing of machinery of any description or vehicles or vessels or motorboats. Number 7. Assembly, repairing, or packing any article with the aid of machinery or power. Number 8. The setting up of a new development of an industrial area or industrial state. Number 9. Fishing or providing shore facilities for fishing or maintenance thereof. Number 10. Providing weighbridge facilities. Number 11. Providing engineering, technical, financial, management, marketing, or other services or facilities for industry. Number 12. Providing medical, health, or other allied services. Number 13. Providing software or hardware services relating to information technology, telecommunications, or electronics, including satellite linkage and audio or visual cable communications. Students, State Financial Corporation helps small, medium, and large industries also as per their types of products, annual production, and what type of infrastructure they have used. Next is setting up or development of tourism related facilities, including amusement parks, convention centers, restaurants, travel and transport, tourist services, agencies and guidance, and counseling services to the tourist. Next is construction, development, maintenance, and construction of road. Next is providing commercial complex facilities and community centers, including conference halls. Next is research and development of any concept, technology, design, process, or other product, whether in relation to any of the matter aforesaid, including any activity approved by Small Industries Development Bank. Students, the latest amendments of state financial corporations are to act have significantly enlarged the scope of business of SFCs to provide discontinuing discounting of bills of exchange and direct subscription to equity of industrial concerns, besides enhancing the loan ceiling from 100 lakh to 300 lakh and further to 500 lakhs. Students, now we will discuss the different types of functions that provided by the state finance corporations. Number 1, granting loans or advances or subscribing to debentures of industrial concerns, loans to be repayable within 20 years. Students, State Financial Corporation provides loan facility to any type of infrastructure. Next is guaranteeing the loans raised by industrial concerns on such terms and conditions as may be mutually agreed upon, but they should repayable within 20 years. Number 3, guaranteeing deferred payments of any industrial concern which purchases capital goods within India. Number 4, underwriting the issue of stocks, bonds, or debentures of industrial concerns subject to their being disposed of in the market within 7 years. Number 5, providing foreign exchange loans under the World Bank scheme. Number 6, participating in the equity capital of the small scale industrial units coming up in the backward areas. Next is providing the discounting of bills of exchange. Besides, the state financial corporations act as the agents of the central government, state government, the IFCI, or any other financial institution for the grant of loans or advances to or subscribing to the debentures of an industrial concerns. The state financial corporations cannot grant assistance to a concern whose paid up capital and fee reserves together exceed 20 crores. Students, the amount is not fixed as per the policies of state finance corporations. So next point is policy on forms of income. The state financial corporations are employed to provide financial assistance by way of granting and guaranteeing loans, directly subscribing to securities, underwriting issues, and by discounting of bills of exchange. Number 3, policy on duration of assistance. The state finance corporations are authorized to lend up to a period of 8 years and underwrite shares and debentures subject to their disposal in the market within 7 years. Next point is policy on nature of industrial project to be assisted. The state finance corporation provide assistance mainly to small scale units which are mainly organized as partnership or proprietary concerns. The projects organized as private and public limited companies and registered cooperative societies are also provided assistance. However, their assistance is not available for joint Hindu family concerns. Another striking feature of state finance corporations operational policy is its greater emphasis on agro-based industrial units, chemicals and machine making units. Number 5 point is policy on security and margin. The state financial corporation generally provides secured loan which are normally secured by way of legal mortgage of fixed assets. Students, 40% margin is generally maintained on the loans. The state financial corporations show considerable flexibility in operating this norm. Margin requirement for small scale unit is reduced to around 25%. To technician owned enterprises, however, the SFCs may lend without any margin. Relaxations are also made for projects coming up in less developed regions. Students, state financial corporation especially is very helpful for small scale units. So next point is interest rate policy. The lending rates of state financial corporations are normally linked to the bank rate and the IDBI. Lower rate of interest is changed to socially desirable projects in small sector and in less developed regions and to technician owned enterprises. Next is policy on assistance to technician entrepreneurs. Students, assistance to technician entrepreneurs is given on very liberal terms so far as the margin requirements, the rate of interest and moratorium on repayment are concerned. Next is critical analysis of the operational performance of state finance corporation. In the following pages, an evaluation of operational performance on state finance corporation is undertaken to know and how far the SFCs have been able to achieve the objectives for which they were set up. Students, the SFCs had plays very important role right from the 1947 of. So following are the tables and data related to state financial corporation. So these are the year wise details of amounts issued by the state financial corporations to the concerned industrial units, especially for medium and small scale units. Students, during the year 1995 to 1998, the sanctions fell continuously, but in the year 1999 to 2000, the sanctions rose. During this period, sanctions rose negatively as the growth rate of sanctions during this period is negative. So far as the trends of in the disbursements of assistance of state financial corporations, it is clear from the details in the year of 1980 to 91, rupees 248 crores of assistance was disbursed, which went up to rupees 1762 crores in the year of 2001 to 2002. So that amount increases year by year for assisting the industrial units, especially for small scale units, because either due to number of losses, the state financial corporation plays an important role in the growth of industries. So here is the table that shows the year-wise details of sanctioned amount, disbursals, and percentage of disbursement to sanctions. So next we will go to next topic that shows the tables. So that is the another table which shows the period, sanctioned, number of sanctions, and number of disbursement. So state financial corporations are the backbone of industries. Here is the graph of data relating to sanctioned amounts and the number of disbursements.